Hey everyone, welcome back to ZTC. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today's video is crucial for every email user out there. We're going to tackle a topic that's not only relevant, but also essential in today's digital age: email account security. Have you ever wondered if your email account has been compromised in data breach? Well, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. Gmail, developed by Google, is a user-friendly and widely used email platform that has become an integral part of our daily lives. It's a preferred choice for sending and receiving emails. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to stay connected, Gmail offers the seamless and efficient way to manage your emails. It is possible for a Gmail account to be compromised, although Google takes significant measures to ensure the security of its users' accounts. Don't worry, we will discuss how to check if your Gmail account compromised in a data breach. There are many ways to check compromised email in data breach. One of them is Have I Been Pwned, HIBP. It is a website that allows you to check whether your email address or password has been compromised in a data breach. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use HIBP to check if your email account has been hacked. Open your web browser, navigate to search bar, and search haveibeenpwned.com. On the homepage, you'll find a search bar. Enter your email address into the search bar and press the Pwned button. The website will display the results of your search. If your email address has been involved in a data breach, the results will show which breaches your email was a part of. It will also provide information of the types of data that were compromised along with the date of the breach. Now let's use another method. Breach Directory. It allows you to search through all public data breaches to make sure your emails, usernames, passwords, and domains haven't been compromised. Navigate to browser and search Breach Directory. On the homepage, you'll find a search bar. Enter your email address into the search bar and search. The website will display the results of your search. If your email address has been involved in a data breach, the results will show which breaches your email was a part of. It will also provide information of the types of data that were compromised along with the date of the breach. Additionally, it will show the masked password, which are in data breach along with their hash value. We can also use hash to find the password. To do this, navigate to CrackStation and select the type of hash and enter the hash value and click on Crack Hash. In the result, we can observe the password. Note that the result maybe varies based on the hash. It may be exact match or partial match. Here are some remediation steps you should take if your email address has been compromised. Change your password. If your password has been exposed, change it immediately. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of security to your accounts by enabling 2FA where possible. Monitor your accounts. Regularly check your accounts for any suspicious activity. Review account settings. Review your email account settings for any unauthorized changes. Look for things like forwarded emails, added rules, or new devices connected to your account. Change any suspicious settings back to their previous state. Thank you so much for your patience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.